Is the zipper? You're making the zip? Okay. Alright. Zip. Let's see. Okay. Got that thing zipper. Okay. Let's see. So, okay. Well, basically, I guess you just put this thing on it like this. Hope this thing go like I want it to. We definitely trying to get this thing done the right way. We ain't gotta keep fighting. Okay. Yeah. Wow. I must admit, it did more than I can appreciate. Wow. 10 out of 10. I would definitely buy again. 10 out of 10. Recommend it. Let's go. Let me get the box for y'all so I can see this one more time. Cause this was, yeah, vacuum mattress bag. Get you one. Yeah, that's it for sure.